Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? How is everyone doing? Okay. Hello, hello, hello. I mean, there must have been some big news. I don't know what the news was, but Whatever that news was, let's have a look. Was that today? Thursday, yeah. So at 1 o'clock. Bank rates, I'm guessing. Pound interest rates. Okay. Do we have anything more? We have this at 4:30, but we're out of trades at 4:30, so that's fine. Okay, so there isn't actually any news. There isn't any news for us today, which is good. Which is good. Okay. But we have a few minutes until obviously our time window starts. Okay, so are you, Anders, are you looking at a buy? Here, is that what you're looking at right now? Also, you trade different times, don't you? Okay. Also, if we do get a trade today, I don't know whether I'm going to be... well, I'm definitely not going to be taking 1% on them. I'm probably going to be taking 0.5% until we can start to kind of get a little bit more momentum. I'm not going to be taking any trades tomorrow. Would you guys still want me to stream? Or are you not that fussed? Because I'm not going to be taking any trades, so... we can stream, but it's just going to be us kind of chatting, chilling, but it's up to you. It's up to you. So today, if we do get a trade, then it's going to be 0.5%. And that's kind of it, really. Yeah, jump on stream for chat. Okay. Okay. Can do. I might have to try and come up with like a topic or something. We can talk about takeoff day. Yeah, man, nice to have a place to chill out for a bit. Have a beer. True, yeah. Although I don't know whether I'd want to be in London session, but yeah. Maybe it's a bit too early. 8:30 till 10. 12 till 4. Okay. I put in quarter points. Very interesting. All reactions. What? What are you on about? Sorry, I don't know. I don't know what that means. We might actually have a trade straight away. So let me open up MT4. We might actually have a trade straight away. Let me put this on. I keep forgetting that because I'm used to TradingView. Actually, I'm gonna change this as well. Can you look at the chart? Yeah. Oh, I see. Okay. Do you mean like 80 levels, 20 levels, 0 levels, that kind of stuff. Is that what you're on about? Afternoon, Destin. How's it going? Afternoon. I think I'll probably take this trade, to be honest. 13 pips. 13 pips. Risk reward 3. Risk 0.5. Okay, we're in a trade. Yeah, I posted a link. Where did you post it, sorry? Can't see it in Discord. You're in the same trade? Okay, okay. Good, good. How are you? I'm good, thanks. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Go 1%. Not happening. Not happening. We're already on minus 7.86%. So I'm just going to say we're on 8%. Right? Because we pretty much are on 8%. So with 1%, we have 2 trades to basically get a winner. With 0.5, we had 4. So yeah. What trade you in? I'm in a buy. I'm in a buy. This song comes up all the time now, I feel like. All the time. I don't know if it's just me. Oops, wrong way. Why is it yellow? What the hell? What is the name of the song? Stands out, I think. Money. I don't think he's saying money. It does sound like that though. Wait, what? Oh, fuck. Oh, I'm gonna have to change all these fibs, aren't I? I can't be asked. No, he's saying honey. Honey. But no, I think he's now saying money. Let's say he's saying money. There you go. That's the song. Saying money. Oh, hold on. My thing just crashed. Are we back? Hopefully we're back. Market never touched on TradingView. I mean, I'm trading on MT4. Yeah, didn't touch on this. It's because I'm using MT4 now, because it's actually, obviously it's more accurate than this, because obviously I'm trading it on this. This is actually a better entry, so I mean we could place another one, but my thingies aren't that big today, so I'm not going to. I'm not going to. That's right, my broker. Yeah, exactly. I mean, it's actually good because it gives some people to get in a chance as well, but I was thinking of placing another one. I was thinking. But, you know, I don't want to be pushing it too hard because we are down and I need to make sure that capital preservation is more important than returns at the moment. But, yeah, if this was earlier on in the thingy-majiggy, what I'm looking for, challenge, I probably would have. Going at 50% of that candle entry. Okay, nice. That's a good entry. That's a good entry. This looks good. This should look. I hope it is a winner. I hope it is a winner. The thing is, I'm only trading 0.5%, so even if this wins, it's only going to knock out one day. So it's going to knock out yesterday's loss, or it's going to knock out Tuesday's loss. Because obviously, let me get my little drawing tool up. So these days here, that one, all kind of 1,000-ish, 1,000, 1,500. So if this is a winner, then it would knock out one of these bad days. Have you ever gotten into trades worth only 4 pips? Not just with this strat, but in any situation. Yeah. Yeah. We've got into trades with we've got into trades with 3 pips. Not meant to. With this strategy anyway, you're supposed to only get into trades with 4 pips stop loss minimum. Let me get rid of this. But look at this again. Like, let me just point this out. Hold on. Look at this entry again. Like, it's our last entry was like this as well. This morning on London, whoever that is. Wait, why is it doing this? Where was it? Was it today? I don't think it was today, was it? Yeah, it wasn't today. We haven't. Yeah, it was. It was today. Here, this is where our last entry was. And I made another one yesterday as well that was really bad. It will change everything mentally, yeah. Yeah, it'll be really, really good to get a winner. Because at the moment, it's like, well... like, it's unexpected if we get a winner. Which it shouldn't be, really. Which it shouldn't be. The thing is, most of these trades have been good trades. Right? It's not like... it's not like I'm not trading the strategy. It's just been unlucky. How's the FTMO account ATM? We haven't had a winner yet. We haven't had a winner yet. We've had, this is our 8th trade. So we've had 7 trades, 7 losses. Okay, good luck, good luck. Have you done like a trial? Have you done any live trading on your strategy yet? Or are you just going from demo to FTMO? I think it's because I joined. Sorry guys. You start losing the day I join. No way. When did you join? When did you join? Was it Monday? Oh dear. Monday. Oh dear. Oh dear. It's not you, don't worry. Done live a bit. A little consistency, but I need to scale to the next level. I would just trade live a little bit further, because yeah, just trade it a little bit more. Because you want to have confidence going into that strategy, into the challenge, right? You don't want to be thinking, oh, I've only had a little bit of consistency with it. I mean, you don't have to listen to me, obviously. It's just my opinion. Whoever thinks the market plays against them is never going to make money. Trading market is just there and it moves. And it's up to you when / where you enter. True. Yeah. True. The problem is, most people think the same way. So then, if most people think the same way, the market can be manipulated against those people. And you are literally, it is going against you, because you're thinking how everyone else is thinking. I mean, that's obviously the market maker model or whatever. But yeah. Should I do the opposite of what I'm thinking? Yeah? Yeah. I mean, I've tested it on like soft FX. I've tested that. So if I did it so that if I was trading a normal strategy and I did the opposite, well, what would I get? And it was actually quite profitable. It was actually quite good. I mean, if you've had consistency in the strategy that you're using, just carry on using that. That's what I'd say. Because if you're thinking of doing an FTMO test, you must be pretty confident in it. True, but then if I guarantee you, if I did the opposite to a 1 minute strategy setup, that would be the winner. That would break the cycle. I'm super confident in how I trade, but I can't pass FTMO. With 5% drawdown kicks me out, even though my win ratio is pretty awesome. Untested anymore. What do you mean 5% drawdown kicks you out? What do you mean? How? Look at my history. What do you mean? What? Afternoon Simbi. 5% a day on FTMO engine. Oh, you're okay. Okay. So you're okay. I thought you were meaning about like the overall challenge, 5%, and I got confused. Okay. I don't understand that. How can you lose the challenge but win all your trades? I don't understand how that works. You had 8% draw on one of my winning trades. Because the drawdown counts. Right. I mean, that's pretty dumb, to be honest. Counts drawdown. Okay, so if you have loads of open positions, let's say you have like 3 open positions, they're all 2,500 down or 2,000 down. Even though you're not out of it, it still counts as drawdown, which is fair, to be honest. Which is fair. Yeah, even if all 3 of those trades win. That's interesting, actually. That's interesting. I mean, it's fair on FTMO, but it's also not fair on you, because the trades won. I guess the trades won because you were almost lucky that they flipped. Well, there's another one. Right, I'm not taking any more trades today. That's us done. That is us done. Okay, so there's no more trades until next week. Yeah, no more trades till next week. What is the point if you can make 10% profit and one time you're down 50% on your account? It's not stupid. What? I'm just saying it's... Yeah, that's because I didn't understand it. If you could be 50k in drawdown, never comes back, they lose all their money. Yeah. But it's... Yeah, it is fair on them, but it's also not fair on you either, because... I guess technically it is fair, but it is a little bit annoying, because it's like, well, the trade's won. So... Yeah. Not trading tomorrow because of FMP. Yeah, exactly. If it's your own account, you can do that. Yeah. If I can give you advice, it can be really useful to use pivots and add more entry conditions to your strategy. Okay. Okay. So what's our current win rate? What was our win rate of the last 3 months? Or, okay, here's a different question. What is our strategy? Because if you're giving advice, then surely you must know our strategy fully, right? And you know something that can improve it based on data. Surely. If you had floating and I lost 5%, then you lose. Yeah. Yeah. So you can eventually win that trade, but if it had a 5% drawdown during the trade. Yeah. Yeah, which is fair. It is fair. It just sucks a little bit, you know, because the trade did win. So it does suck a little bit. Also, I want to ask a question about the prop firm. What was I going to say? I forgot what I was going to say. Oh yeah, would you guys want someone to someone in the TradeHappy team to basically just test stuff for you? So we have someone that's dedicated to just testing strategies, testing indicators, expert advisors, full-blown systems, just testing it non-stop and finding things out and then sharing that with you. Would you want that? Is that something that you would want? So that you guys don't have to do it? How can you reach 8% drawdown if all are winning? Unless you have many trades in one go. If only one, then your risk is way too high. Because it's not the closed positions that it's counting. It's counting the actual drawdown on that live position. So so let's say you entered a trade here or here, and then this is minus 8%, this is plus 8%, just an example, and the trade goes like down like this, right, and then goes and hits your TP, you still lose the challenge because you hit 8% drawdown on this trade. Definitely, that's a great idea. Okay, cool. Cool. Wasn't my idea, but yeah. Cool. Okay. Next week I will risk 1% at least. That way I will have 10 trades. Yeah. It means trade if there is an opportunity. Personally, I am trading 2 to 3 times a week. Yeah. I mean, all the trades that we've taken have been good trades. They've all been good trades. But you would take that TP. What was 1 pip away now? I mean, yes. But at the same time, I was following the plan. Right? I was following the plan. And waiting that extra pip would have got me 0.5%. So I don't, it's tricky because the situation I'm in now, like obviously I would like to have that 4,000 profit, but at the same time I would have just gone against my plan, and if you're going against your plan you're going to fail. So it's like, well, do you want to break your plan and take the quick return, the quick money, or do you want to follow your plan? And I chose to just follow the plan. Also, if you're enjoying the stream, hit the like button. Doesn't take too much effort to do. Was 1 to 3 are the best you found during your testing? We only tested 1 to 3. We only tested 1 to 3. So that was the first one that we tested. We got good results, so we just carried on doing it. Other people have tested 2 to 1s. And I'll be honest, they got pretty similar results. So 2 to 1, 3 to 1 didn't make too much of a difference. So yeah, I don't know. But saying that, most of the trades that we've been in have at least hit 2 to 1 during this FTMO test. So then, you know, I don't know. Market conditions change and stay stagnant for long periods. You're unlucky to have started in a period that is highly unprofitable for your strategy. Yeah, that's all it is. That's all it is. Unlucky. So stick with it. 0.5% per trade. Stick with it and we'll see what happens. So we'll be back next week for trading. Okay, no worries. No worries. See you tomorrow. So yeah, we'll be back next week with trades and all that kind of stuff, but if you just want to kind of relax and chat, then we can. But yeah, there's not going to be any trades today. It looks like there's going to be a nice sell, but I'm trying not to take it because I'm analysing the market now, so I shouldn't be doing that. You're in the sell. Okay, so are you taking more than one trade per hour? Is that what you're doing? What's the max number of consecutive losses in your back test versus forward test? You can compare your current losing streak to that and get a feel if this is bad luck. It is bad luck. Our worst one in forward testing and back testing put together was 4 trades. We're currently on 7, 8. Have a look. Eight. Yep, so we're on 8 consecutive losses. So yeah. Maybe it's the trade you don't want to take is what you should take on a week like today. Yeah, but I've already taken a trade in the first hour, so I shouldn't really be taking 2 trades per hour. I had that 10 trade losing streak just before the challenge started, or 2 weeks before that, but I was trading every time frame pretty much, from 9 till 5. Oof. Lots of people in FTMO, encouraging. Yeah, well, we've had, I think, 2 people so far come into the stream and mention that they're using the 1-minute strategy and have passed FTMO. So it's good. I know that the strategy works because people have passed. I mean, Joshua's in here, he's passed. So it works. I know it works. Is there a link to the 1 minute strategy? I wish I found your channel 2 months ago, failed FTMO 2 weeks ago myself. Okay. When you failed FTMO, did you manage to figure out why you failed? Or was it, yeah, did you manage to figure out why you failed? And also, if you want, I can have a look at your FTMO backend thing and see if I have any kind of anything that stands out. I have backtested this strategy over 100 trades, 41% win rate, 1 to 3 RR, 50% profits, risking 1%. I was in a 9 loss MAC drawdown as well during it. Okay. Are you trading the same times as us? Because 41% win rate seems more like version 1. Yeah, no, I know. I'm curious why it's a 41% win rate and not closer to 50%. Because it should be closer to 50%. Really. I mean, 41% is still good. Whenever we were doing the testing, I was saying pretty much anything over 40% and I'm happy, so yeah. But, well, right now I'd like 10%, that would be nice. Or even 5%. I'm trading 8:30 till 10, 12 till 4. That might be why. So go into your back testing and have a look at each hour. So break it down into each hour and then get rid of the hours that are least profitable. That's what we did. And it changed it from a 40% win rate to a 50%. Yeah, I mean, that's good results. It really is. It is good results. 40% is good. Yeah. 40% is really good with 3 to 1. The reason, so we didn't change the timings because of the win rate. We changed the timings because we had a 10 losing trades in a row. So that was the reason why we changed it. And then we changed it and it just helped so much. Okay. But yeah, 40% is really good. Really good. Gonna check it. Gonna check the strategy and back tested it already before I get into FTMO. Yeah. Watch the video. You might have to watch it once or twice because, well, what you could do is watch the original 1 minute strategy video and watch that second one because the original one maybe goes into things I didn't in the second one. I don't know, to be honest. But yeah, do 100 trades, analyze those trades. See if you're happy with that, and then yeah, take it from there. Afternoon. I back tested my strat for 3 months, but my problem was that I decided to take the challenge when I had COVID. I was trying to rush it, so totally something to myself. Sure, it didn't send because of that word. YouTube doesn't like swearing. So yeah, it blocked that message. But I hope you're okay now, because my girlfriend had COVID and yeah, she said it was bad. So yeah, I hope you're all good now. And did you take the test after or before you got COVID? Yeah, I'm good. We had a pretty bad losing streak still. We're still on it. But I'm good. Strategy, not so good. No problem. Why do you think you lost your last trade? I mean, we could have entered a little bit early. We entered on this one. We could have entered on this one. So that's, you know, a different trade there that we could have avoided. But it would have lost anyway, so... I don't know. I'm not really too fussed, to be honest. I just trade the strategy, and if it wins, it wins. If it loses, it loses. The only times where I've not, or you know, been a little bit annoyed, is just when things mess up. So MT4 messes up because I'm not used to it yet, or you know, I don't know, spread or something, you know. It just looks like you caught the top. It only looks like we caught the top because it went down. Right? If it goes up and we hit TP, you probably wouldn't say that we caught the top. So the trade was fine. Yeah, I'm totally fine now. I took the challenge, then I felt ill, got my results for COVID, damn. And was very ill for 2 weeks, but fine now, just doing bad. Okay. I'm past the free FTMO challenge the week before. Okay, that's very, very similar to us actually. That's very, very similar, well, apart from the COVID thing. Yeah, bad luck. I guess... Are you going to be taking the challenge again? Do you want to take it again, or are you not going to do that? I'll try. if you fail, will you retake? I don't know. I don't know. It depends on what happens with TradeHappy. Because we are doing a lot. And the business is developing pretty quickly, to be honest. So yeah, it's I don't know what's going to happen in a month, 2 months, 3 months. I don't know. But if I have time, then I'd be up for doing it again. Yeah, I'm gonna take it, but I'm gonna wait a month or 2 before I do so. Okay, yeah. Is that like just to get your head good and back to peak performance? Peak performance. Okay. I recommend funding talent. No challenge, yet get paid as soon as 2 weeks. Okay. I mean, I might just give myself one. I might just give myself a challenge. And trade my own money. I don't know. I'm probably not going to have time, to be honest with you, to do challenges and things. But if I do, then yeah, I guess you guys can decide for me. You guys can decide for me. So if the 78 EMA was a bit more up, I'd say the market was rejecting the 1415 candle. 1415. I mean, I would probably have shorted this, to be honest with you. What? 11 pips. Yeah, I would have probably shorted this. I'm not gonna lie. It's a nice short. If it comes down, you could put a stop order in place. You could put a stop order in place and catch it as it comes down. Possibly. How's about why didn't you take it? Why didn't you take it? Funding talent model is not the same as FTMO. Yeah, but only 20% of your profits go to the live account, and the other, you get the 15%, you get access to that account. I don't understand that. Why do they have to make it so complicated? Just give me the profits that I make. Like, why are you putting 14.5% in this, 12% in this, another 2% in this, you get another 3%, you also get £5 for every £3 you make, and all the blah 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 blah. I don't understand it. I really don't understand it. Just give me my money. Give me my money. You know what, I'm actually going to take this. 0.5%, I'm going to take this. What candle size is this? 14. The other one was 11, wasn't it? I shouldn't, should I? I shouldn't. I'm not gonna. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. Not gonna. Nearly. Funding talent actually makes a lot of money off traders' trades and pay you peanuts. Do they? That actually makes a lot of money. How? Can you explain how? I haven't looked at the model, so yeah, not as transparent as FTMO. Okay. Don't do it. I didn't. What are your plans with TradeHappy as a company? I can't give too much away just yet, but yeah. Excuse me. Okay, no, I'm not gonna. I'm just like, I'm looking at the Trello board, trying to decide what I should and shouldn't say, because I don't want to say things and then I can't actually do it later on, or you know, it takes 5 years instead of 3 years, or whatever. So I want to be careful with what I say, but yeah, there's big things that no one else in the industry is doing. No, that doesn't make it easier. That's the same question. That is exactly the same question. It's a busy board. It is. It is. Be like Elon Musk. Overpromise and overdeliver. 3 years late. Yeah. Jacob is getting FOMO. I was. FTMO been here for a longer while. Confident it will last. Yeah, I mean they're the dominant prop firm right now in terms of retail prop firms. They're the dominant one. Yeah, they're the dominant one. But if they don't change, if they don't adapt, if they don't do things differently, they will go. They will disappear. Let's have a look. I'm going to have a look at some stats. Percentage of companies of 500 companies. So I just searched something. Research shows that since 2000, so since the year 2000, 52% of companies in the Fortune 500 have either gone bankrupt, been acquired, or ceased to exist. 52% of Fortune 500. Right? So if a Fortune 500 company can, literally half of Fortune 500 companies go bankrupt, disappear, or whatever, I'm pretty sure that FTMO can disappear as well if they don't change and don't adapt and all that kind of stuff. Obviously I'm not a business expert, you know, but yeah, if they can disappear, so can FTMO. It's the Wild West for retail style prop firms. It is. There's so many. I think there must be thousands of prop firms. I mean, I know there's obviously thousands of prop firms, but yeah, there's loads. Where are we in the FTMO challenge percentage? How's the challenge going? Yeah. But saying that, it's not gone just yet. It's not gone just yet. It's cold now as well. It's cold. It's cold coffee. I don't think cold coffee is as bad as cold tea. I actually don't mind cold coffee. I don't know what everyone else thinks, but yeah, cold tea is not very good. But yeah, I mean, it's not gone, right? It's not gone just yet. We've still got how many trading days do we have? Let me go over here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. We have 17 17 trading days left. Nice. Nice. PT again, you know, it's not the end of the world, is it? Like, you know, I mean, it's not great, obviously, but it's not the end of the world. 17 days left. I mean, if we have, so let's say 17, let's say we take 2 trades per day. Yeah, 2 trades per day. 34 trades. Let's say that 40% of those are losers. Wait, hold on, I need to write all this down. So 34 trades times by 0.4 is 13. We'll go 14 because it's 0.6. So 14 winners, 20 losers. Oh, the money song's back. Money song's back. So if we do 14 times 3 minus 20, so that's risking 1%. So now, in the rest of this month, since the challenge is going to finish, if we risk 1%, you know, this is a very, very reasonable result that we should be looking at. Obviously -8 because that's what we're currently on. But there's 22% to be gained, and that's with a 40% win rate as well. So the maths is good. I'm glad I didn't get into this. Oof. Oof, I'd be pissed. So wait, hold on, we have 17 days left. No, it's far from being over just yet. Far from being over. So we're still in this. Even if we risk 0.5%, that means that by the end of the month we should be on plus like 3%, 2%, 2-3% with a 40% win rate, risking 0.5%. I think that's not bad. I think that's not bad at all. And we can take a free retry next month, we're in. Or what we could do is get up to 1.5 or maybe 2, and then risk 1% per trade instead of 0.5, and see if we can actually pass. But that's going to be really tight. That's going to be really, really tight. But at the end of the day, this isn't bad. I'm going to take a screenshot of this so that we can come back to it tomorrow, because that's pretty good. Do it only after 1 or 2 wins. Well, no, because I want to pass. Well, no, I want to at least get a free retry. Right, so at this stage I'm not that fussed about passing, really, to be honest. I just want that free retry. So all I'm bothered about is making 9%. I mean, that's pretty much just passing the test again, isn't it? So, you know, we'll see. I think we're in a good, well, we're not in a good position, but we're not in a bad position just yet. If we get down to kind of 9%, so I don't know what we're on. What are we on? Was it 8.6? I hope, oh god, I think it might be. 8.3. So if we have another 0.5% loser and then another one after that, we've only got 1 trade left until we're done. So you can still keep trading after being negative debt? No. No. If you hit 10% drawdown, you're done. You're done. when I started FTMO, I was down 7% because I started right when I had that losing streak. On an older strategy, my strategy ends on the 10th of Feb 10th, and I just got back up to 1%. I mean, I think that deserves... Oh no, I don't have it. Oh man. Hold on. Hold on. There we go. I hope that wasn't too loud. Was that too loud? I'll turn it down a little bit. There we go. But yeah. Congrats. I'm on 4.5% with this last loss. I'm gonna get off, bro. You've got to stick to the strat, but markets are weird. Stay out until next week. Yeah, I'm not gonna be taking any more trades. I'm just gonna be chilling. But yeah, have a good day. If you're not in the stream tomorrow, which I hope that you are, have a good weekend. But yeah, have a good day, man. Really tested my psychology, I bet. But yeah, congrats, that's really good. That's like Barcelona's come back yesterday. Who did Barcelona play yesterday? Barcelona. 5-3, so I'm guessing they were 3-0 down. What? Oh my days. 88, 90, 100, 113 and 108. What? I'll start buying it. Have a good day too. Happy trading. Cool. See you later. So basically you have 4 trades of 0.5. Do I understand that correct? Yes. 4 trades left. And this is with 1% risk. Okay. In for a buy. I'm in a buy. Okay. Oh, hold on. Let me get rid of this. Wait, I'll screenshot this actually first. Screen. Bang. Post this in members actually. Delete. Okay, so you guys are in a buy. So, roll that out. So I'm guessing it was this. I'm hoping I'm correct. 6 pips. And then 3 to 1, right? Is that the trade? Afternoon Paul, how's it going? How's it going? Yes, okay. Don't know if buys are such a good idea, but maybe you'll be right. The funny thing is, when I was testing this, it's easier to notice when you're testing. But when I was testing this, the less you think about a trade, the better, really. I don't care whether this is a winner or loser, but just in general with the 1 minute strategy, the more you analyze it, the worse it is. Because yeah, it just, I don't know, like the trades where you think it's not gonna win normally don't win. No, I'm joking, they win. I don't know, it's weird, because the 1 minute doesn't act like a normal time frame. If your drawdown should be 4%, then you need to now divide 1.7% left by 5, stay in the game. If your drawdown should be 4%, what do you mean? What? If your drawdown should be 4%. We should create a bot to evaluate the results. So do you mean a bot to trade or a bot to analyze? Because a bot that could analyze would be pretty cool. Replace the I'm gonna actually write that down as an idea. So a trade analyzer. Take screenshots every time you place a trade. Trade details. Trade details. Uses AI to compare to other trades. Oh man, that's a good idea. That's such a good idea. You're welcome. I mean, the idea isn't even what you're on about, but you mentioning that made me think of something that is a good idea. Yeah. Just send me your PayPal. Send me your PayPal afterwards. Okay, well, I'm guessing you guys are out of this, so bad luck, bad luck. Bad luck. But good trade. Good trade. You said your max drawdown in states was max 4%. In back testing it was, yes. In back testing it was. Still in it with a line entry. Paul, you're definitely onto something. You're definitely onto something. Okay. Oh, okay. Still not looking good there. No. Okay, so yep. Yep. Terrible losing streak for the strat. Yeah, it is. It is. I think yeah, I'm still confident in it. I'm just thinking if this still starts to, you know, snowball into something worse, we might need to think of something to do. But at the moment, I think we're still fine. Oh, really? Yeah, there's a lot do that. It's the best. Oh man, that's a good idea. That's such a good idea. What about backtesting the same data again using the new acquired knowledge using later? Okay, yeah, we could do. Yeah, we definitely could. Well, what we could do actually is try and load it up on SoftFX. We could try and load it up on SoftFX and backtest the out of it and just do, like, I don't know how many trades it would be. So based on that, divide by 5, what's left to compound after the 5th trade? I don't get it. I'm dumb. I'm sorry. I'm not dumb, but you know. Just an idea, we know that you trade 3 hours a day. Yeah, write an indicator that calculates for each of those candles twice the stop loss and 6 times the size to take profit. Okay, how many of them would have been profitable? Then look at what's happening around them. Okay, that's interesting. I'll screenshot it. I'll screenshot that message and give it to oops. Put that in there. Got to go, good luck. Okay, cool, have a good day. Have a good day. What's the balance? There you go. It is. Does it say it on here? Yes, it does. There we go. Just okay. How long have we been streaming? Almost 2 hours. Okay. Is there anything you guys want to go over? Because I'm not going to be taking any trades, so I think even if we tried to do this, like literally if we tried to do this, we wouldn't have been able to do it. If we tried to lose like this. Nice idea, but if you create an indicator for that, it will repaint a lot. True. Because you know winners and losers only after they hit TP. I like it and write something for it at the weekend. Okay, cool. Cool. Yeah, it is. It is 91k, yeah. It's low because we lost money. For those who think it's easy to get our results, think again. True. True. But again, guys, like the where we are right now is fine, right? It's not, you know, the maths is still there, right? The maths is still there. We're still good. If it continues to get bad, then we're gonna have to reanalyze things. But at the moment, it's fine. How long have you been trading this account? Since Monday. Since Monday. We've taken 8 trades. 8 trades. That ain't fine. I ain't being rude, buddy, but you have almost blown the account. Congrats. Congrats. You're a smart cookie, man. You really are. Yeah. Like, and you didn't check what I sent in the morning. Made me a little sad. Did you send it privately or did you send it in the group chat? If you send it in like the public chat, it's hard to keep up with it. But if you send it to me personally, like just you know, private message me. I don't. Okay, you're being a little bit rude. I don't message anyone. I don't tell anyone directly to join, right? I say if you found value in the videos, you can join. Okay. The only time I tell someone to message to join is if you message me and say, how do I get this? Or how do I get the spreadsheet? How do I get blah, blah, blah? Right? And also, have I ever told you that I'm a good trader? Have I ever said that, you know, I'm an amazing trader and you should listen to me? Exactly, so shut the fuck up, leave if you want to, and piss off. You realise even good traders have half bad weeks then. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Okay, cool, I'll have a look. Check this indicator out for trend. Oh, okay, it's a RSI indicator. You can swear, but I can't in chat. I find this very unfair. Well, YouTube has a go at me if I swear anyway, so yeah, I try not to. But when there's, you know, when there's thingies in chat, it's hard. I mean, this is one of the biggest that I've ever seen, so I don't even know who this person is. They come in here and just be rude for no reason. I'm not even about trolling, it's just the way you act. It's just the way I act. How am I acting? Also, how old are you? I mean, like, can you just grow up a little bit? Also, I'm not on YouTube teaching. I'm on YouTube. Oh my days. Like, it just like whenever someone comes into the chat and says stuff like this, it's so obvious that they've only been here for 3 seconds. It really is. It's just so obvious. Because if you've been here for any length of time, you'll know about the streams, about the videos. I've said multiple times that I'm not, you know, an amazing trader. I'm all this. I've always said I'm average at best. So just, you know, there's no reason for you to just come in here and be a dick. Yeah, I'm looking at it now. I'm looking at it now. I'm trying to just understand it. There's a lot of annotations on that thing, so zigzag high-low plus RSI. Cheers. I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that. I mean, literally every single day, I enjoy streaming, right? I enjoy coming onto the stream, talking to you guys, just chatting. Not, you know, getting a Rolex out, not putting a Lamborghini in the background, or trying to sell shit. It's just sitting here as a community and trading, talking about mental health, talking about stress, talking about health, all that kind of stuff that no one ever talks about. And it's people like this that come in here and think that I have one motive, and all it is to just sell stuff. It's frustrating to see people selling courses giving that dream. But fair enough, you have explained yourself. Okay. But then why just come in here and assume that's what I'm doing? Right? I mean, it's fine. Like, it's... I understand where you're coming from, because that's exactly why I made this YouTube channel. Because I was pissed that people were doing that. So, yeah, I get it. But just don't judge people when you don't even know. Yeah, I mean, I am pretty blunt. I am pretty blunt. But I'm not. Yeah, I'm not. Okay, so talking about Gold Trader, you must have asked me about something, because I don't sell it. I don't like message people saying, join this. I say, if you find value in this, then join. If I get a message from someone saying, hey, how do I get the spreadsheet, I'll tell them, and that's it. And that's it. Any plans to learn about algorithmic trading? One huge benefit is that you can leave your algos to trade, and you can simultaneously backtest new strategies, so you get twice as much done per day. I have. I bought. Hold on, let me. There's a book that I got. I can't remember what it's called. It's like this pretty thick book for MQL4. I don't know where it is. I thought it was next to me, but it's not. Yeah, I don't know where it is, but it's. I have thought about it, but the only thing is, I've never found an algo that traded profitably over a decent amount of time and got decent returns. Would it be fair to admit losing 9% in somewhat extreme in 4 days? It's not good, but the testing that we did and the FTMO trial that we did was fine, right? So you can't blame me for trading the same way that I've been trading for 3 months and in the FTMO trial, but when I trade it on FTMO, the live one, things just go wrong, right? So there's nothing I could do about that, right? I've shown the whole process. So I've shown the whole process of back testing, forward testing, FTMO trial, and this. There's nothing that I could have done. Is this a live account with FTMO? Yes. Yes. We passed the trial in 3 days, and then we took the 100k live account on Monday. Also, sorry for everyone that doesn't like swearing and all that kind of stuff. I try not to swear, but yeah, I just got pissed, so yeah. Sorry about that. Maybe you should incorporate a higher time frame along with the 15 minute plus 1 minute gives you a better perspective. Yeah, it does. We did have the indicator that I showed yesterday, this one, that you can use, and you can set it on to like a 15 minute, and then you can see the higher time frame candles, and do it that way. So you could do something like that, which is pretty easy to do. But once you start incorporating higher time frames, it can get a little bit rough, because an opinion comes in, and like the whole goal of this strategy was to build something that everyone can trade and pass FTMO with, right? That was the goal. I still want to hit that goal. Even if we fail this month, we can reevaluate, analyze, come back next month. Cool, yeah. But I asked about the spreadsheet, and he told me if you want to, we do have it on Gold membership. That is your choice, and pay for it, but nothing's forced on you. Thanks for saying that, Sean. Thanks for saying that, man. I appreciate that. Never give up. Yeah, never give up. I mean, we're obviously not miles away from failing, but we're not, you know, that close. We're not massively close. We're risking 0.5% per trade now. We only need a few good trades and we're back in it. I think it's possible to not pass the FTMO challenge and still be a decent trader. PS, I am not suggesting you will not pass. Yeah, 100%. 100%. Institutional traders at funds and, you know, Goldman Sachs, all the rest of them, they make 15% a year and they're happy. So, you know, to make 10% in a month is insane. Failures don't occur if you don't give up. You'll make it 100%. Everyone does who sticks with it. Yeah. Is that saying? Oh, what is it? You can never. I can't remember it exactly. It's probably completely wrong, but it's like you never. You can't beat someone who never quits or something like that. I can't remember exactly what it is. Can't wait to break this dodgy trend line to move all the majors. We could actually start looking at DXY, couldn't we? Because I know that you use it quite a lot. The problem is I don't know how to trade it, so my eyes are starting to sting from looking at this screen. I mean, Joshua, who is trading the same strategy as us, passed his verification this month. He's failed 7 times or 8 times, I can't remember what, and now he's passed. So he only needs a few trades and he'll get all that back from all those failures. So, you know, it's that determination. 7 times. Sorry, man. Sorry. Not 8 times. My bad. It's the reason I prefer 5%ers. FTMO relies too much on luck. You need to be a good trader to pass it, but you also need the luck month, or lucky month. I agree with that. But I also think bad traders can pass FTMO if they have a lucky month. 100%. But a bad trader can't pass 5%ers if they have a lucky month, because 5%ers isn't about it doesn't allow for high risk. Thoughts on going for 300k FTMO? I'm not gonna have time, to be honest, because you have to pass. I think you can do the challenges at the same time, but they sorry, I started reading the next message. What was it? Yeah, I'm not interested really. I'm really not. The only reason I'm doing FTMO is to almost finish this little bit of a journey from going from no strategy to making a strategy with the community and then passing FTMO with it. Les Brown, most people fail in life not because they aim too high and miss, but because they aim too low and hit. Yeah, I agree with that. I agree with that. Yeah. Grant Cardone talks about that as well. Not in the same way, but he talks about like people's goals and how you should just 10x your goals no matter what they are. Because even if you don't hit the 10x, you're probably going to get further than if you stuck with that original goal. Problems with FIDA is the exposure limit, so you wouldn't be able to trade on the 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah. You do not necessarily need to trade it, you just need to see what major currencies are doing and doing correlations. Yes. The reason why I'm not doing that is because I like GU or cable, and that's just the one that I have back tested and worked on. Thing is, once we pass, we start risking less than one. Yeah, exactly. And it's not sustainable to continue doing 1% FTMO because of these inevitable drawdowns. Exactly. But the easiest way to pass is to risk 1%. Exactly. So to pass it, you have to be a bad trader. I know that sounds bad, but to pass it, you have to be a bad trader because you have to risk too much. And when you hit a bad drawdown, like we have, or I have, it destroys you. But once you pass, I would be risking 0.5, maybe even 0.25 per trade. Probably 0.5, because what are the chances that you're going to have 20 losers in a row? Pretty slim. But 10 losers in a row can definitely happen. So yeah. Yeah, definitely. Low, high, and lower RSI. Also, that is the indicator that you sent me. It's interesting. It's definitely interesting. I'll add it and we can test it. What's it called again? Zigzag high low. Hold on. Am I missing it? What's he called it? Zig, zag, not cag, zigzag, high low. So this is an indicator that QTrader on Discord or Q in the YouTube chat sent to me. And it's basically RSI, so it shows you the RSI number, I'm guessing, but it also shows you the zigzag thingamajigs. So this is something that you could use if you don't want to be using pivots. So yeah, that's something you could use. It looks decent. It looks like it will keep you out of those big swings. So the big swings, obviously they're going to have smaller swings inside. You'll be in those bigger swings, but not in the smaller ones. I said that the wrong way around. But yeah, because obviously if we zoom in here, you can see that it skipped this one out. It skipped all these out in here as well, so yeah, if you want to be using this, you could do. I'll send the link into the chat now for anyone that does want to use it. Remember, zigzag repaints and you can't always see those in advance. Good point. Good point. Good point, good point. I'm just going to put not advisable. Not tested. That's why you look at the RSI number at the time. Okay. Why? Also, it's going to actually happen too late as well. It's going to happen too late. I mean, it might... The whole... Because obviously we can see here, this one's formed, but this one hasn't yet. So I don't know if you're going to be missing trades. Possibly. But yeah, if you want to use that, you can. I don't think I'm going to, but another option out there if you want to use that. So and how it appears after the closed candles is very different to the live due to the zigzag repainting. There are always ways to use some zigzag notorious. Okay, RSI I have respect for, but the zigzag is tricky. Right, okay. Sorry. Wow, that's a lot of trades. I mean, look at this. I hope he doesn't mind me sharing this. Oof. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. That's very, very similar to us. Well, not the equity curve, obviously, because ours is just bang, but that's over 121 trades. What the hell? Oh my days. Don't mind. Okay, good. I mean, too late anyway, because I showed it, but yeah, cool. Yeah, exactly, Joe. Exactly. Over trading like crazy. I've seen scalping strategies with over 1,000 trades during FTMO test. What? Well, what would you do is look at 2 prior levels of RSI and then predict direction to increase. I suppose you can use the RSI. I suppose you can use the RSI numbers to see where the buying and selling pressure's coming in, right? Is that what you're thinking? Wow, that's a lot of trades. Don't use the live zigzag line. Don't dismiss it so fast. Oh, right, okay. So, Q, are you just using that for RSI or are you using it for zigzag? What are you doing? Because the RSI is interesting. I think that okay, ABC, okay. This is nice. I think if I was going to use RSI, this would be quite an interesting thing to test. I mean, I don't know how late it's going to print. Like, do you know how many candles it has to go past before this prints? I don't know. It might be a little bit too late, but yeah, interesting. I'm back, welcome back. Something happened. Not really. Not really, no. Not really. Did you test your strategy on the 5 minute? No. No. Danny has. Danny's tested it on the 5 minute. He didn't get amazing results, but some other people have traded it on the 5 minute and did get good results, so I think it depends on the trader. But yeah, I haven't personally. A zigzag peak part of the ABC can and will change a certain amount of candles if market structure changes. But if you have found a way that it's actually working for you, then awesome. The low between the last two decreases RSI. That's likely a strong reversal level. What? Look at the low between the last two decreasing RSI. This one. Okay. That's likely a strong reversal level. Okay. So when you called the bottom that other day, is this what you were using? Or were you using something else? Because it seems a little bit basic to be able to do that. It'll be really interesting to compare 1 minute and 5 minute results on the same period. I think you have to change it. You have to change it because on the 5 minute you're not getting too many candles, so you're not giving yourself enough time to get this formation to set up, right? On the 1 minute you do have enough time, but on the 5 minute you don't if you're trading the typical times that we're trading. So if you're going to be trading 5 minutes, you might want to extend the time period that you do trade. How much you up on the how much you up on the challenge? Let's get it up. Give me a second. I can share it actually as well. I can share it in chat if you want to have a look later. So we've taken 8 trades and we've lost 8 trades. I mean, we had a break even, but that was a loss anyway, in terms of where it went afterwards. We've been extremely unlucky with some of our trades. So I think it's just been one of those weeks. I really do. I think it's just been one of those weeks where nothing goes your way. I use order flow from futures markets. Okay. You can see institutional orders because there are an exchange which all orders have been through, unlike Forex. Okay, yeah. Do you use, by any chance? Give me 1 sec. See, hold on, let me type this out. Do you use these charts? Okay. They're called, oh my days, I can't type. My eyes are so painful. Do you use that chart by any chance? Yeah, bad week, really got to manage our risk. Yeah, eye drops. I actually don't have any. Yeah, I don't have any. Like literally the only time I've used eye drops is when I was younger and my mum would force me. Like I've never done eye drops by myself. I've only been forced. Learn off method and offshore keys, bro. You'll need it. Okay. Why you just spell it and not say it? I don't have to say it. I don't have to say it. My brain isn't working. Hello again. How's it going? How's it going? Oh, hold on. I need to scroll up. That's one platform, but more so DOM, depth of market, and footprint charts. Okay. Okay, that's the only one that I know of. I am in my free trial. I had almost only losses and was a bit nervous. And I have one strategy for long trades, almost swings. But you had to change my strategy. No indicate, only price. You mean you had to change your strategy? Or me? I mean, the problem is you'll switch. So the only time I would say you should go for an FTMO test is if you're 100% confident in your strategy. Therefore, if you're 100% confident in your strategy, if you have a losing streak, you shouldn't switch. Right. I've done the ICT video course thing where it goes like September, all the 12 months. I've done those videos and didn't really well, I got a lot of value from it, but I still don't trade it. I think there was almost too much and I didn't know what to do. Does that make sense? I mean, thanks for the advice. I'm gonna ignore you. Because I know enough. But yeah. Thanks for the advice. I mean, I know enough strategies, by the way. Let me just put that out there. Okay. I know enough strategies. I can always be learning other things. Okay. I don't want someone twisting my words on me. You need to backtest it. The FTMO stuff. Or the strategy that we're using. Not FTMO. ICT. ICT stuff. Yeah, it's just what institutional traders use. Volume analysis, how I predicted the low. Statistical analysis, no technical fundamental. Good sarcasm though, mate. Good sarcasm. Yeah. I know enough strategies. I've been in that time where I've gone from strategy to strategy, and I now understand that it's not the strategy that makes you profitable. So I'm good. I'm good. I'll stick with the strategy that I've got. If I ever want to learn ICT, I can just go into my folder and I can watch the videos again. Right? But for now, I'm good. You see, that's a better way of saying it, right? He's not forcing anything on me, he's just saying, yeah, ICT is good, maybe do this. Right? He's not saying, I need to go and do this. It's a suggestion. I agree, there's a ton of info with ICT, but in reality all you need is 2 or 3 concepts and that's it. I have a few friends that have done the videos as well, and they're really, really good. They don't... yeah, they're doing really well. Can't deal with criticism. I remember your name, man. I recognize you. You came in here and were a dick last time as well. Could it change my life? I don't think you should do it. Yeah, I have heard positive things, but would you agree with this? Not every strategy fits every trader. No, don't be sorry. 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 Because the people that I know that are trading ICT, they love it. They love it, and I loved it for probably about 2 years. I was addicted. That's, yeah, like I can literally show you, actually, just to show you some proof. Just to show you some proof. Hold on, it needs to load. Okay, so these are all my notes from ICT. Okay, 606. I'm not going to show you anymore because some of it is core stuff, but 606 spreadsheets with notes, all on ICT. I've done my research, mate. I traded it for years. So, yeah, the stuff that I really like is the oh, what's it called again? What's it called again? It's not float, and it's not CBDR, is that it? So, dealer's range. That's it, dealer's range. So that was amazing. Like when I watched that and I went onto my charts, and then you like plot it on your chart, it's like, what? And it literally turns at the pip. The problem was when I was testing that stuff, it just wasn't consistent about it. It wasn't stop talking about it. He talks about it in his free stuff, doesn't he? I swear he does. I swear he does. Yeah, I don't teach it or anything. I'm just sharing my thoughts on it. Only Asia range. Oh, oops, my bad. I mean, I didn't say how you do it. So, but yeah, whenever I did that, it was good, but I couldn't get the consistency down. My win rate was like 28%, I believe, when I was trading that FTMO style trading, and I couldn't get it. I couldn't get it. Yeah, I mean it's probably the best course on trading I've ever seen. It's probably the best course. But I don't think that I think for most, a course isn't going to be what's going to make you profitable. And for me, what? I agree. A friend of mine is a great analyst, but when it comes to trading, he screws it up regularly. He has an edge, but he currently can't trade it consistently profitable. Yeah, I mean, even Mark Douglas talks about that. Mark Douglas was mentoring a trader who was a really good analyst, but he consistently lost money. And Mark Douglas just told him to go and get an analyst job. And that's what he went and did. So I think trading isn't just as simple as, here's a strategy, why aren't you profitable? What's wrong with you? It's easy. come on, I'm doing it, why are you not doing it? You know, it's just not that simple. Also, trading isn't meant to be simple. You're not meant to win at trading. You're a retail trader, you're supposed to lose. Right? You're not meant to win. I can send you some crazy notes on how I use it and when it's most effective in. But yeah, I mean, if you want to send that privately or publicly, that's up to you. But that'd be really, really cool. That'd be really, really cool. I have my own notes. But obviously, seeing other people's notes from a different perspective and how you analyze or how you interpret information would be really, really interesting. Mindset first, always. I agree. I agree. Hey man, I haven't seen you in here in a while. It has been some time. What have I been missing so far this year? So this year, what have you missed? We're still working on the 1 minute strategy. We took the FTMO trial test last week. We passed that in 3 days. We've then taken the real FTMO test, and we haven't even had a winner yet, so it's been pretty rough. Trading is the easiest, hardest career ever. Yeah, trading is the easiest way to make, no, it's the hardest way to make easy money. Or is it the other way around? I don't know. Yeah, if you want to send some of that in notes, it'll be really cool to see. I always love studying them, so yeah. Like okay, I'll say this. I would say if you could follow one trader online and just watch them, I would say ICT is probably one of the best, if not the best. Have you heard of Jim Smith? Yeah. He's the math wizard, isn't he? He's the algo math dude. I'm not very good at maths, to be honest, so I've never even attempted. Okay, I'm probably going to end the stream in about 20 minutes, to be honest. Yeah, we've been streaming for 2.5 hours. That's just statistical analysis I use for trading. He is my top Forex inspiration. I mean, it's not a bad person to learn from, is it, really? I think he's arguably one of the, if not the best trader in history, if I'm correct. I can't remember exactly, but he's definitely up there. So yeah, I have until the 9th to pass the FTMO challenge. I'm break even. I'm just going to leave it and wait for the yeah, okay. I trade the 1 min like you on GU Euro USD. Okay. So how's Euro USD doing for you? What are the results comparing to, like, with GU and EU? Yeah, if I was gonna just trade one, Like if I could go back to when I started trading, I would just watch ICT. Pretty much. I'd just watch ICT and then just do his mentoring. Yeah. If I could just go back and, you know, do it. Yeah, being okay, took off all Jan as well. Okay, as usual. Okay. Okay. So what are you up to now? Are you planning on doing anything? Who? ICT. Inner Circle Trader. But it is only for some people. I will say that. It's only for certain people. Some people aren't gonna... No, okay, so... What's the question? Who's the best trader in the world, or who I would follow? Okay, cool. Nice. Nice. Well, hopefully 2021 is going to be a good year. I can't even imagine... Well, I can. I don't want to say what it is. What this time next year is going to be like. I wonder who's still going to be here in a year's time. That's going to be interesting. Who's still going to be... Who's still going to be a... Paul, that gif. Oh my days. That gif. That's a funny gif. I'm not leaving it till I'm taking none. Oh god. 365 days to go to find out. Well, I want to see what it's going to be like once we reach 2 years on TradeHappy, because best trader. Okay, I would say the best trader in history is probably who you just mentioned, but the one that I would follow would be ICT. But yeah, we started the YouTube channel on TradeHappy December 27th. So it'll be interesting to see what everything is like, the whole company, YouTube channel, everything. I don't want to give too much away. The record from Larry Williams in 1987, trading champion, is still unbeaten, I think. Yes, I think it was 11,800%, if I'm correct. Or was it? No, it wasn't. It was 1,000. I can't remember. Let me double check. It probably wasn't 11,000. That's a little bit too much. Let me have a look. Yeah, it was 11,000. 11,300. Yeah, that's crazy. And he was trading futures as well. Most of the big kind of returning traders trade futures. I mean, the top 5 traders this year are all trading futures. 50k to 40 million in a year. What? Yeah, but the question, so he's not the best trader in the world, is he? If he does that next year, he is. But if you just get lucky and do it once, it's not. I mean, what was Bitcoin? If you got into Bitcoin at like 200, 100, what are you on now? If you put 50k in, is that more? Or I think that is more. It must be more. Bitcoin. What would I type in? Bitcoin. Returns calculator. So if you put in 50k and you put it in if you put it in 2012, we'll go February 2nd till today. Calculate. Okay, yeah, you would have made more. You would have made more. What number is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. 9 figures. 20 mil. Huh? It's like 3 billion. 3 I think. Is 9 a billion? I think it is. 30. 32 billion maybe. Whatever it is. It's more than 40 million. Well, I'm off for a break. Let's discuss the other idea further in Discord later. Okay, cool. Cool. See you in a bit. See you in a bit. Have a good day. I'll be ending the stream anyway soon. Yeah, it's enough. It's enough. That's funny. So wait. Paul, don't answer this like in the community, but has it pissed you off that they do that all the time, or has it just pissed you off that they haven't offered it to you or us? Okay. I mean, Euro USD and GBP USD are obviously very, very similar. We were looking at AUD USD. Let me get up the compare tool for 1 sec. I mean, I put it into like a calculator. I didn't do it through like maths. Okay, I got that right. So yeah, we were using this. So we can put in GBP USD in Euro USD. Get rid of that. So you can see, obviously, we're just comparing here. Wait, what the hell? Oops. Currencies. So I'm hoping you can see that. Yes, you can. So as you can see, like if we go to 1 year, that gives a little bit of better perspective. AUD USD just moves more than GU, so that's why I was thinking go AUD USD. But then it's like, well, do you really want something that moves more, or do you want something that moves smoother? Because surely if it moves smoother, we're going to get that trending market more. So then I was looking at UJ, because UJ did quite, USD JPY trends quite well, really. Like, look at this. It just moves down really, really nicely without too much kind of big movements in it. So I was thinking of UJ that we could test. I don't know. You are using current price rather than last year's price. What? Am I a bit late? Oh, okay. Okay. For a GameStop, right, okay. I think I'll get by with 18.5 million just fine. Yeah. Yeah. Same here. Same here. Not too bad. To select the pairs to trade, I went back to 1993 and looked at the daily range. The problem with that is, like, I mean, that's pretty good, right? But the problem with that also is markets in 1993 don't trade the same way that they do in 2021. But then again, you've got a massive amount of data. So it's like pros and cons, isn't it? I think maybe 5 years is good, maybe even 10. But I wouldn't go back to 1993. So when you decided to do GU and EU, what were the reasons for that? Because that's a lot of data, isn't it? So what would be the reasons for that? Because if we go 20 years, well, I have to say, AUD/USD looks so nice. It looks so nice. I don't think USD JPY looks very good though. It looks good, but it also follows GU quite closely. And more relevant. Yeah, true, it is going to be more relevant. Look at USD JPY, what the hell? I really do like USD JPY because it doesn't really move too much, but the volume is really, really low. So it might be a struggle to get decent trades off quickly. AD is my favorite, sure, for looking at. Yeah, I think AUD USD is going to be a very, very nice pair to trade for the strategy as well. So, I mean, we did test it a little bit. Also, I can get rid of this. We did test it, and it was good. Okay, cool. But we were just looking at what pairs we would want to test in the future or trade with the 1 minute strategy. I like AUD USD. Paul likes AUD USD. But also, I need to be careful with saying that one. So, someone else mentioned that Euro USD and GBP USD are quite good to trade with it as well. So we might have a look at Euro USD, I don't know. GBP USD, maybe good balance between volatility. Yeah, it is. I don't know about AUD USD, it looks good. This panics from how the strategy has performed this week. No, it's just something to do. We're not changing anything. We're not changing. It's just I'm not taking any trades. So, as you know, the conversation develops in chat. We just go down a road, kind of. But yeah. I only trade GE because on the average daily range is 130 pips, and I only want to look at one pair every day. I thought you said that you trade Euro as well, but yeah, I prefer trading one. I prefer trading one pair as well. I really do. Check NZD/USD. Let's get rid of Euro. Not a fan. Let's get rid of USD/JPY. NZD/USD. It looks pretty identical to GU recently, doesn't it? Like if you look at this onwards, this looks exactly the same. This morning was harsh, I feel bad. I mean, I'm not too bad. I'm not too bad, but it is what it is, I guess. There's nothing that you can do about it. It's just going through a bad patch. So, yeah, next week we'll start again, and we'll see what happens. So, how does it look there on your chart? Have a look. Do you have other accounts? What do you mean other accounts? What? What for what? I mean, that looks pretty cool. Trading capital. Oh, like, yeah. What's the analysis you're using? If you watch this video, it'll explain the whole strategy. But it's pretty simple. It's just so anything below this EMA we're looking for sells. So then we're just looking for a break in structure. We're looking for the retest, and then we enter if we get the right candle entry. It's pretty simple, really. It's a pretty simple concept. I mean, that's a nice trade. Similar to what was said earlier, but especially since you prefer shorts, have you thought about looking at negatively correlated pair and shorting the long signals? That's interesting. We could do. I don't know. I'm not. Excuse me. I'm not a massive fan of correlation. I've never really understood how to trade it Yeah. So maybe. If we were going to do that, it would be UJ. The problem is, you need a pair that is that has the same kind of volume as GU, because on UJ it moves so slow compared to GU that you're not really going to be getting, you might not even get trades. Not the strategy, the currency analyst you were looking at. Currency pair analyst. Oh, okay. So it's called Koifin. Koifin. Let me send it in chat so you don't have to try and find it. It's mainly for stocks. I use this sometimes to analyze my stock portfolio, but you can also use it for currencies as well. But the main tool is for stocks. It's pretty good. It is pretty good. So it's got quite a few things in here. They still haven't fixed this. Yeah, it's quite cool. Quite a cool little tool. Might present something interesting. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I don't understand correlation too much. I've never traded it, so I would have to learn it, trade it, backtest it, all that kind of stuff. Which I don't know whether I'm going to have time for. When's the TradeHappy trading platform coming out? Not that long. Not that long. You don't take 3 signals on 3 pairs, and it's almost like all your eggs are in the same basket. Yes, so that's also something that I think a lot of newer traders especially, but traders struggle with, but they don't know they're struggling with. So they'll take a trade on GU and then take a trade on UJ, for example, and not realize that they're negatively correlated, and it just messes them up without them knowing. So they'll double their risk pretty much. Also, Paul, since when was it your birthday? What the hell? Why didn't you say anything? Is it actually your birthday? You kept that one quiet, what the hell? Right. So yeah, you can use this tool. You can use this tool for loads of things, currencies and things like that. But yeah, I just use it to compare currencies really and stocks. Well, happy birthday, Paul. Happy birthday. It's now your birthday, so yeah. Yeah, I think there's 3. I think there's literally 3 pulls. So whichever pull, it's your birthday. Happy birthday if you're in the stream. That's funny. Yeah. Ah, okay. Okay. Yeah. There's 3 pulls. There's 3 pulls. Okay, man. Have a good day. Have a good day. I think I might actually end the stream here. We've been streaming for almost 3 hours, so yeah, ridiculous. I'm getting tired. NZD/USD looks good. Looks actually a little bit better than AUD/USD, but and it looks a lot better than GBP/USD. So yeah, we can definitely test some more in the future. For now, we're just going to be sticking with GU unless things get bad. But what if when you are under the EMA, you trade every candle open to close when RSI is decreasing? That is a completely different strategy. So if you want to test that, you can, but that's not even close to the same strategy. So we would need to do that another time. It sounds interesting. It definitely sounds interesting, but yeah, that's going to be in the future probably, if anything. So yeah, I'm going to end the stream here. Hopefully you have a good day. Thank you everyone for coming into the stream today, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow in the London session. There's not going to be any trades, so if you're coming to just see trades, then you're probably going to be disappointed, but yeah, come and say hi if you want to, and I'll see you tomorrow.